Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Annotations in Java Programming. So here we'll discuss some built-in annotations. So how to write an annotation in a program and how to work with annotation in a program. So first of all, we'll understand what are annotations in Java program. So annotations are like tags. So what is the use of annotations? So annotations provide extra information for our coding in Java program, and these are associated with classes, interfaces, methods, or fields. So fields means data members, right? And this information which is provided by annotation is used by Java compiler for compiling and JVM for running the program. So basically annotations are alternative. They are alternative options for XML and Java marker interfaces. So we have some built-in annotations here like @override, @surpass warning, @deprecated. Right. So these annotations, so Java annotations were introduced in Java 5, which is JDK 1.5. So this is what is some built-in annotations: @override, surpass warning, and deprecated. Right. So what are these built-in annotations? We'll try to understand. So coming to @override annotation. So it tells the Java compiler that subclass method is overriding the parent class method. Okay, so if it is not overriding with same name and same signature, we'll get a compilation error. Okay, similarly @surpass warning. So this annotation tells Java compiler to suppress. Okay, so it is suppress warning. It tells the Java compiler to suppress the warnings which are given by Java compiler, and these are specially used with non-generic collections whenever we get warnings related to unchecked and unsafe operations. So next, coming to the third type of inbuilt annotation, @deprecated annotation. So this annotation is mainly used with methods. So it tells the compiler that the method is outdated or old method, and this is the information which is given to the developer saying that using this method, okay, it is going to get deprecated. It is going to be removed in the future versions of Java programming. So better not to use such methods. So @override, @suppress warnings, @deprecated annotation. So let us try to demonstrate these three annotation in the form of a Java program. Java annotations example 1. Right. So take a new page. So first we'll write the comments. Program to demo built-in annotations. Right. So let us import java.util package so that we are going to use non-generic collections. Okay, first we'll take a base class A, void m1 method, and we are displaying a message base class A m1 method, system.out.println. Now let us take a subclass. Okay, so this is a base class, and similarly class B extends A. So let us take a subclass. Now in this subclass we are redefining m1 method. Okay, so redefining m1 method, void m1 with same name, same signature, and we are displaying the message saying that as subclass B m1 method overriding method. Okay, and we are putting an annotation @override. So it will tell the compiler the M1 method of subclass is an overriding method of base class. Right, so let us go to the main class with main method. Okay, right. So Java annotations example 1 with main method. So save this in your program in your working directory. Okay, first we'll just call the overriding method. So b obj is equals to new b obj.m1 method. So it is calling overriding method of subclass. Okay, so calls overriding method of subclass. Alright, so save this, come to the command prompt, and then compile the program. So javac java annotations example 1.java. Right, so no error, and run it. Right, so subclass b m1 method overriding method. Right, now let us say that in the subclass by mistake instead of m1 we'll give it as m11 by mistake, but it is a overriding method. So in that situation we are going to get a compilation error. So method does not override. Okay, method does not override. Okay, which is inherited from class A because we are using @override method. So in some situations where we give wrong name for subclass overriding methods, in that situation it will alert us, compiler will alert us. So this is what is @override. Similarly, in subclass I'm taking @deprecated for m2 method, and I'm printing a message, it is outdated or old m2 method. So this is a message. Right, so save this. Now come to the main class with main method. So in main class main method, here using the same object obj, I'm calling m2 method. So it will call m2 method of subclass which is outdated. So when we compile this program, we'll get a warning. Okay, let us put proper comments for the remaining cases. Save this and then run. So we'll get a warning saying that our program Java annotations example 1.java uses or overrides a deprecated method. Okay, right? So deprecated method means this method is going to get outdated in the future versions of Java. Better not to use this method. Right. So similarly, if we run this, we'll get the output, but it is just a information to the developer. It is outdated or old m2 method, and it is saying that better use updated method. Right. So next, third one, suppress warnings. Suppress warnings. And which warnings you want to suppress? Unchecked. Okay, so unchecked collections warning you want to suppress. Okay, right, so let us create an object of array list. AL is equals to a new array list. So this is a non-generic collection because we are not passing the generic parameter. Okay, so generic parameter something like integer, we are not passing this, so it is a non-generic collection, and then we are adding 3 elements 10, 20, 30. Print array list. So save this. So we have to use this for the method, and this is used for the main method because in the main method we'll get the unchecked collections warning. First let us put a comment for this, save it and compile. So we'll get a warning. Okay, so the warning is we are using unchecked unsafe operations for array list collection. Right, so if we'll compile this program using xlint, we'll get the complete description of unchecked and unsafe operation. Like we are adding 10, 20, 30 into unchecked non-generic collection. Okay, so this is the warning. right? So, but it will run the program. So let us run this program. We'll get the output 10, 20, 30. But if you want to suppress this warnings, we have to use this. So when we suppress this warning unchecked, unsafe operation, it will be hidden from the compilation process. So save this, recompile. So we are not getting any unchecked unsafe operation. We are getting warning for the deprecated method for the previous case. Now run it. 10, 20, 30 are added into the array list. So the warning for non-generic collection array list AL is equals to new array list has been suppressed, has been hidden from the user or developer from the compilation process. So this is how we are supposed to work with some built-in annotations in Java programming, which provides extra information to Java compiler during compilation process and JVM during running process. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.